Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa J5 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work, which means we had to replace the entire brew unit. This brew unit that you see right here, as you can see, it's in really bad condition. There's a lot of coffee built up pretty much everywhere. This side of the brew unit as well is broken. Compared to this side, you can see that it's completely closed, and this one is all the way open. There's a lot of coffee built up everywhere, looking really bad. So it was best to replace the entire brew unit, deep clean everything inside, descale the machine, and just give it a nice tune up. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. We also clean the grinder of the machine as well, have the whole thing open. Infusion and extraction. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. I'm going to be testing the hot water. As you can see, the hot water is a nice steady stream too. Excellent temperature, working great. Now we're going to be testing the steam. Perfectly fine, nice pressure, and temperature, so there you have it, Jura Impresa J5 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Canon Coffee. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, like this video and hit that bell.